Rich rising, beautiful people. Today we are going to practice our Kemetic Sun Salutation. This is a beautiful practice to honor the life force energy within us, to honor the sun, the warmth, the vitality, and everything the sun has to offer. So let's go ahead and get started on our mats, standing tall, lengthening through the body. Bring your arms down by your side with your palms facing forward. Breathe in. And then slowly begin to exhale. Bring the palms in front of your thighs. And let's slowly inhale those palms up towards your face, creating a triangle with your elbows and your arms. Inhale. Exhale, release the arms down to your heart space. And begin to lift the palms up toward the sky. Inhale, bringing the head in between the palms, lengthen through the body. Exhale, bring your index finger and your thumb together. Open up your heart space and send your hips forward, really feeling this nice back bend. And gently inhale, lift the body, bring the fingertips back together over your head. Bring your palms together. Inhale. And exhale, bend at the hips. Allow your fingertips to guide you down to the earth. Legs are still straight. Inhale, sweep the hands behind you to the back of your ankles. Exhale, try to get your chest towards your thigh. Inhale the arms up into a pyramid. Exhale the palms down to the earth. And let's slowly begin to step our left leg back into a low lunge. Inhale, lift the head up. Exhale, bring that knee down to the mat. Point that toe up in the air. Exhale it back down. Straighten the body. Come into your low crescent lunge. Hands underneath that right knee. Inhale, bring your palms up to the sky in a V. And gently exhale, bring your palms together over your head. Inhale, lengthen through the body. Exhale, slowly bring the palms down in front of your chest and down toward that right knee. Press forward, inhale, and exhale, open up the chest, send your head back. Feel the sun, the sky. Exhale, come forward, hands down to the mat. Untuck that left toe. Come back into a low lunge. Inhale. And exhale, sweep that right foot all the way up into the sky. Exhale, come back down into your pyramid. Maybe inch your feet up just a little bit. Inhale. And exhale, bend the knees, come down to your mat. We're coming into a Kemetic Sphinx. Bring the hips over your heels, forearms to the ground. Lift the chest and the head. And then inhale, extend the arms out in front of you. Dip forward and all the way up, lifting the thighs off the ground. Send your head back, opening toward the sun. Come back into your pyramid. Tuck the toes, inch your feet in. Inhale. Exhale, heels to the ground. Inhale again. And exhale, come into a child's pose. I'm going to take a wide one this time. Big toes to touch. Allow your forehead to rest on the earth. And on your next inhale, let's come back into all fours. We're going to send our left leg forward this time. Tuck the right foot, come into that low lunge, lift the head, inhale. Exhale, bring that foot down. Hands underneath your right knee. Inhale, come into your V. Lift the chest, lift the body. Exhale, bring the palms together over your head. Inhale. And exhale, slowly bring the palms down to that left knee. Come forward as you inhale. Exhale, send your head back. Try to straighten those arms. And come down to meet your mat. Untuck that right foot. Come back into that low lunge. Step that right foot up to meet your left. And inhale again. Sweep the palms to the back of your ankles. Exhale. Press that chest toward your thigh. Inhale the hands into pyramid. Exhale slowly down toward your mat. And then we're going to bring the palms together and slowly roll the body up with your head in between your hands, using your fingertips as a guide. Exhale the palms down to your heart space. And then inhale the palms straight up again. Inhale, index finger and thumb come together. Press the hips forward, bend the elbows, open up the chest to the sun. Inhale, come forward, bring the palms together over your head. And exhale, slowly bring them down in front of your chest. Inhale one more time. And exhale, bring the palms in front of your thigh. And slowly open up to the side. And just breathe. If you notice, the sun came out as we finished this practice together. So we are paying homage to the sun, to the earth, to the elements. We are honoring this journey of Ra. I send you much love and peace and beauty and productivity today. Honor yourselves as you are a reflection of this beautiful day, this beautiful light that is within you from the sun. Have an amazing day. Peace.